about this? You're about to create something amazing, an AI that can think, learn, and grow in ways we only dreamed of. And here's the best part. You don't need to be an AI expert to make it happen. What if you could use LangChain, a tool that connects most advanced language models to real-time data, allowing you to build AI applications that are both smart and flexible? It sounds like something out of science fiction, but with LangChain, it's real. As large language models quickly become the backbone of many applications, LangChain has emerged as a game-changing tool, transforming the way we use these powerful technologies. Today, we are diving into LangChain, the ultimate framework that makes AI development easier for everyone. Whether you want to understand user questions with one LLM, create human-like responses with another, or pull in data insights, LangChain makes it all happen. But LangChain is more than just making AI easy to use. It's about getting these models to work together seamlessly. LangChain simplifies what could be a complex process into a simple, powerful system. From smart chatbots to enhancing data for machine learning, the possibilities with LangChain are endless. So why has LangChain become one of the fastest growing open source projects ever? And how you can use LangChain to get ahead in the world of AI.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Before we begin, if you are interested in making your career in machine learning and AI, unlock your potential in AI and machine learning with Simplilearn's professional certificate course in generative AI and machine learning. In collaboration with IIT Kanpur, designed for aspiring AI professionals, this program offers hands-on experience with machine learning algorithms, deep learning, and NLP, guided by industry experts and IIT Kanpur faculty. Gain essential AI skills through interactive live classes, self-paced videos, and practical projects. Network with a community of learners and professionals and earn a prestigious certificate upon completion. The course link is mentioned in the description box and in the pinned comment. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's first start by understanding what is LangChain. LangChain is an open source framework designed to help developers build AI-powered applications using large language models or LLMs, just like GPT-4. But what really sets LangChain apart is its ability to link these powerful models with external data sources and other components. So this allows you to create sophisticated natural language processing NLP applications that can do much more than just understand and generate text. They can interact with live data, databases, and other software tools. Now you might be asking, is LangChain a Python library? Yes, it is. LangChain is available as a Python library, which means you can easily integrate into your existing Python projects. But it doesn't stop there. LangChain is also available in JavaScript and TypeScript, making it accessible to a wide range of developers. Whether you're working on a web app or backend system or a standalone tool, LangChain fits right in. So why should we use LangChain? So why is LangChain such a big deal? Developing AI applications typically requires using multiple tools and writing a lot of complex code. You need to manage data retrieval, processing, integration with language models, and many more. This can be time-consuming and complicated, especially if you're not deeply familiar with AI. LangChain simplifies the entire process, allowing you to develop and deploy and even manage AI applications more easily and efficiently. Let's break down this with an example. Imagine you're building a chatbot that needs to provide real-time weather updates. Without LangChain, you would need to manually connect your AI to a weather API, fetch data, process it, and then format the response. But with LangChain, the process becomes much more straightforward. You can focus on what matters the most, building the features and functionalities of your application, while LangChain handles the complex integrations behind the scenes. So let's discuss the key features of LangChain. LangChain is packed with features that make it incredibly powerful and flexible. Let's take a closer look at some of the key components. At first, we have model interaction. LangChain allows you to interact with any language model seamlessly. It manages the inputs and outputs to these data models, ensuring that you can integrate them into your application without a hitch. For example, if you want to use GPT-4 to generate responses to customer inquiries, LangChain makes it easy to plug that model into your workflow. Next, we have data connection and retrieval. One of the LangChain's strengths is its ability to connect to external data sources. So whether you need to pull data from a database or web API or even a file system, LangChain simplifies this process. You can retrieve, transform, and use data from almost any source, making your AI applications more robust and versatile. Next, we have chains. LangChain introduces the concept of chains, where you can link multiple models and components together to perform complex tasks. For example, you might have a chain where one component retrieves data and another processes it, and a third generates a human-like response. This chaining ability allows you to build workflows that would otherwise require extensive coding. Next, we have agents. Agents are like the decision makers in LangChain. They can create commands deciding the best course of action based on the input they receive. For example, an agent cloud determines which language model to use based on the type of query it's handling, making your application smarter and more adaptive. Then we have memory. LangChain supports both short-term and long-term memory, making that your AI can remember past interactions. This is particularly useful for applications like chatbots, where maintaining context over multiple interactions are significantly improve the user experience. Imagine you're building a virtual assistant. The assistant needs to remember previous interactions to provide relevant responses. Now, with the help of LangChain, you can easily implement memory so that the assistant knows what you have talked before, making the conversation more natural and engaging. So, what are the integrations supported by LangChain? Well, LangChain is designed to work seamlessly with a wide variety of integrations, making it extremely versatile for different use cases. LLM providers. LangChain supports integration with major LLM providers like OpenAI, Hugging Face, and Cohort. This means you can easily incorporate the latest and most powerful language models into your applications. Then we have data sources. LangChain can connect to a variety of data sources such as Google Search, Wikipedia, and cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. This makes it easy to retrieve and use the most up-to-date information in your applications. Vector databases are used for handling large volumes of complex data such as images or long text. So LangChain integrates with vector databases like Pinecone, and these databases store data as high-dimensional vectors, which helps in allowing for efficient and accurate retrieval. So this is particularly useful for applications that require searching through large data sets quickly. For example, let's say you are building an application that needs to analyze thousands of documents to find relevant information. With LangChain, you can integrate a vector database like Pinecone, store your documents as vectors, and quickly search through using them powerful language models. This capability can save you a lot of time and make your application much more effective. Now the question arises, how to create prompts in LangChain? Creating prompts in LangChain is much easier with something called a prompt template. A prompt template acts as a set of instructions for language model, and these templates can be customized to varying levels of customizations. For example, you might design a prompt template to ask simple questions, or you could create more detailed instructions that guide the language model to produce high-quality responses. Let's walk through how you can create a prompt using LangChain in Python. Step 1 is installing LangChain. First, you'll need to have Python installed in your system. Once that's set up, you can install LangChain by opening your Python shell or terminal and running the following command: pip install LangChain. The next step is adding integrations to LangChain. This often requires at least one integration to function properly. A common choice is OpenAI's Language Model API. To use OpenAI's API, you'll need to create an account on the OpenAI website and obtain your API key. After that, install OpenAI's Python package and input your API key like this. So this is the following command which is inserted below. You can look into that. Next step is importing and using a prompt template. Now that you have LangChain and the necessary integration set up, you can start creating your prompts. LangChain offers a pre-made prompt template that allows you to structure your text in a way that the language model can easily understand. Here's how you can do it through this particular prompt given below. So in this example, the prompt template asks two variables, which is an adjective and a content subject, and uses them to generate a prompt. The output might be something like, "Tell me an interesting fact about zebras." The language model would then take this prompt and return a relevant fact about zebras based on the given adjective. This is a simple but powerful way to generate dynamic prompt that can be adapted to a wide range of tasks, from answering questions to generating creative content. Let's now talk about how to develop applications with LangChain. So building applications with LangChain is straightforward and involves a few key steps. First, define your application, know exactly what problem it's solving, and identify the necessary components like language models, data sources, and user interaction. The next step is to build the functionality using LangChain's components such as prompt, chains, and agents. This is where you can create the logic that drives your application, like processing user input or retrieving data. Then we have customizing your application to meet specific needs. LangChain's flexibility allows you to tweak prompts, integrate additional data sources, and fine-tune models for optimal performance. Before going live, it's crucial to test and deploy your application. Testing helps catch any issues, and LangChain makes debugging easy, so you can deploy your application with confidence. For example, let's build a chatbot using LangChain. First, we have to define it is a chatbot that answers questions about technology trends. We then create a functionality by setting a prompt and a chain to process input. Next, we have customization. We customize it by integrating a new API to pull in the latest information. And finally, we test and deploy the chatbot to ensure it responds accurately to users. So LangChain offers endless possibilities across various industries. Let's now look into the examples and use cases of LangChain. LangChain offers endless possibilities across various industries. You can create customer service chatbots that manage queries and transaction or coding assistants that suggest code snippets and debug issues. In healthcare, LangChain can assist doctors with diagnosis and patient data management. Then we have marketing and e-commerce. It can analyze consumer behavior, generate product recommendations, and craft compelling product descriptions. So with the help of this AI assistant, it helps doctors make quicker, more informed decisions. So LangChain is a powerful framework that makes AI development accessible and efficient. So whether you are experienced or just starting, LangChain offers tools to build next-generation AI application. So if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more insights into AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.